Hey everybody, this is Charting Man Dan of thechartguys.com. I'm doing this video request for one of our first members. If you look down in the description, there is a link to the free trial of our website. You can come hang out in the chat room, ask any questions, request videos, learn about technical analysis, and become a more profitable trader with more eyes on the market during trading hours. So this is Facebook looking at the daily and weekly time frame. Facebook had a huge day today on increased volume. I drew the support line here where the price pulled back to multiple times and held every time. That level was between 85 and 86. And we got this resistance here at 89 that caused the pullback after this first run and then was broken through today on significant volume. You had a bullish MACD cross here from the past 2 days, as well as the RSI shooting up towards 70. So everything on this chart looks bullish. So you have some room before the upper Bollinger Band resistance at 91.11. One thing I do want to point out that has me thinking a red day is very possible tomorrow is a bearish 3-gap up pattern. You can see that the price on this day closed here at near the low. Then the next day you had an open up here. This is a gap up open because it is much more significantly higher than the low close was. So that's one. You had another one here, a gap up open, and then today was a third gap up open. 3 gaps in a row is a bearish trend or a bearish reversal pattern. And I think we could potentially see maybe even another gap up tomorrow, but by the end of the day, I think the bears are going to step in and knock this one back down. That being said, looking at the previous price action, you can see that this chart did have well, nope, there weren't 3 gap ups there, so that's maybe why this move was so strong and was able to sustain above the upper Bollinger Band for as long as it did these few days. So notice here, this move no gaps, this move gaps. So I think we are going to see a pullback tomorrow, and we will have to check it out. Looking at the weekly chart, you can see it is very far overextended above this upper Bollinger Band. That is another reason that it is potentially going to pull back. You can see that it never really gets too far above the Bollinger Band without the bears stepping in. On this week, the bears stepped in on that week, pulled it back, and then went red. On this week, another pullback, and then went red, and again another red candlestick after it was extended this week. So it's just the sentiment I'm picking up from the chart. It looks bullish. Everybody's saying bullish, way to go, new high, Facebook is awesome. That's when the bears salivate and step in and trap the bulls. So we'll see what tomorrow brings. I will do another chart tomorrow, and will happily point out if I was indeed incorrect and Facebook has another green bullish day. But that is my opinion, and I appreciate you watching. If you want to subscribe to my channel, come check out the chat, request any videos, and I hope to see you there. Have a good